Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this kinky coily hair, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to do your whole DIY kinky coily hair using extension. So this is the extension that I'm going to be using. It's called Darling Superstar. You can actually use any affordable extension that you like. I'm going to go ahead and cut the package open. So as you can see, the hair actually comes in double, which is really good. I'm going to go ahead and use one part first before I move to the other parts. I'm going to go ahead and cut the extension into 3 parts. This actually depends on how long you want your coils to be. If you want the coils to be very long, you can either cut the extension into 2 parts or you don't cut it at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and stretch the hair out to make the ends look tiny and a little bit long. Now to coil the hair, I'm going to be using straw and rubber band. Then you're going to take this amount of hair and start wrapping it around the straw. If you want your coils to be bigger than this, then you can add more. You're going to continue wrapping the hair around the straw until you get to the very end. Now to prevent the hair from unraveling, you're going to place the hair on the straw and twist it round 2 or 3 times. Then bend the straw over and use your rubber band to secure it. After that, then you're going to continue twisting the hair around the straw until you get to the end. Then bend the straw over again and use your rubber band to secure it for the last time. Okay, so this is like 1 hour later. I did all this in 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and pour hot water inside the bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of petals oil into that water. Then I'm going to go ahead and put all that hair inside the hot water. So this is what the hair looks like after I took it out of hot water and dried it. It's so beautiful and so coily. I really love how this hair came out. So for those of you who want coily hair and don't want to spend any money buying kinky coily hair, this video is for you and you should definitely go ahead and give this a try, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing the hair using my crochet pin. Finally, I'm done installing the hair. I also noticed that the hair is not very full because of all that coils. So I went ahead and opened some of that coils just to give volume to the hair and make it look fuller. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.